Hitting most of my L cancels there. You know what the L in L cancel stands for?
I don't.
Loser.
Damn.
That's why I use the R trigger.
Do you have any inspiring words?
My opponent is a coward.
Didn't show up?
No, afraid.
Why would he be afraid?
I legally can't tell you. It's that bad. I have a lawyer for that. I went in the dumpster.
What happened?
Play on the couch.
Oh.
On the couch.
Did you use dump truck?
I don't get it. I was holding down the whole time.
You know, that normally works for me, so. They're definitely friendlies, right? Huh? Are those friendlies? No, I didn't.
I think this is the stream set he plugged me in.
Is dump truck here? I want him to sign my summit poster.
Dude, you just missed him.
I just missed him.
Yeah.
I have the worst luck.